flag. And it's dropped. Who's going to be first to break? It's 1 NZ, Alana Smith, 34. Amanda Cortese, 16. Fran Burney, 16. 12. Helen Evans, 39. Jay Orchid, and 42. Carmen Helen. Anyone's race at the moment. The challenge is coming up. But 1 NZ is out in front by a couple of lengths from 34k. And then 14 Fred Burney. And 44 Carmen Helen has gone into 4th place from 12 Helen Evans and 39 Jay Orchid. 1 NZ, Alana Smith would be on pretty short odds, but you know it's Kaikoura Easter Stampede, anything can happen, it usually does. You can go from 0 to 0. 1 NZ, Alana Smith, 34 to Amanda Cortese, she's going to be challenged down the back straight by Fran Burney, and Carmen Helen's right up there too, but she manages to hold them off. Front wheel drive sort of go off on their front legs, sort of a bit like a dog. Oh, look at this challenge down here. Amanda Cortese playing it very cool. He's got one behind her, one beside her. 1 NZ, Alana Smith, 34. Who's going to come out down the back straight? 34. Amanda Cortese, 16. Fran Burney, 44. Carmen Helen. But look at that great lead that Alana Smith has got now. But look at what's happening in the 1 and 2 position. Amanda's playing it cool. So 1 NZ will take up